recorded as well. Okay, so Sumaya, you can hear me? We can start this, right? Okay. Now this is October 2020. Before we are going to do right. Okay. So you have been supplied with the following sources: Bush, branches, PNG, सारी files हैं. I have extracted them, so I have the following files. Right. ठीक है. Sorry, where's the file? Okay. Create a folder called examination. You must save all the work. Fine. You must use most efficient methods to solve each task, and all work produced must be a professional standard. Use suitable graphic software to carry out the following task. Extract the 4-leaf cluster from the bush.jpg image. This one. Save the extract image with a transparent background as 4 leaves followed by your center number and all that. So obviously, initially what we have to do is we will open this with Photoshop. Obviously, we'll do it in Photoshop, right? I just saw one of the students probably at 14C was opening this at in Illustrator. Illustrator extract नहीं होता. They tend to have confusion. Now we did discuss ये 1 2 कौन से 4 leaves हैं by the way.
ये front वाले.
ये ना 1 2 3 4. So there are multiple tools that we can use, but I would magnetic lasso tool मैं वही prefer करूँगा. It tends to be the most easier one to use. If you set the frequency to 99.
Sir, 100 क्यों नहीं करते?
100 loud नहीं होता इसमें.
मैंने तो मेरे पेपर किया था मैंने 100.
अच्छा, 99 is good. So इतना zoom in काफी है. ज़्यादा zoom in करूँगा उससे भी खराब हो जाएगा. Now my mouse is not very good, but I'll try my level best to do it with perfection. Somehow, if not, though, wherever you have your mouse, make sure you have enough space to use it. See now, mine. Okay, so double click. Control Z. Sorry. Seriously, password. Oh, shukran. Yeah. Wa alaikum salam. Oh, shall we stand up?
I think we should.
Huh? Juveria is here. So Mia, stand up. Juveria is here. She's online. Okay. So जिस दिन सुमैया आएगी ना, we all of us will have a red carpet. Okay, सुमैया, अब मैं आज prepare कराता हूँ उसमें. What's being recorded? By the way, Sumayya is our one of the most elite student of 101.
Efficient.
The most efficient, the most accurate. Goes online today evening.
Sir, Sumayya आई है cooking classes में school की.
हाँ. Halima is supporting you, by the way. So save the extract as transparent background as 4 leaves followed by. So इसको हम save करेंगे. File new, ठीक है? That's the way we transparent. इसको करूँगा transparent, okay? And I will say paste it, right? Then I'll go to file, save as. Now I need to know where my folder is. Everything has, so I'll copy the path, and I hit this part. I didn't know. You need to organize your work, okay? This wasn't the one. It's on downloads.
Admin download
Seriously, इससे बेहतर ये नहीं है कि मैं इसको कॉपी करके किसी इंसानी जगहों पर रखता हूँ. I'll make it like folder ID. Did you try doing it, Juveria, beta? This paper? But it was relatively easy paper, I would say. है ना लीमा? Relatively easy था, मुश्किल नहीं था.
जी मैं
मुश्किल नहीं था. मैं ये नहीं कह सकता बहुत मुश्किल पेपर था. हाँ. ये obviously hands-on मुझे practice और चाहिए. So followed by whatever we've done that. So, oh no, no, sorry. I मैंने JPEG में save कर दिया. Transparent has to be saved in. Transparent has to be saved in Compass or GIF. You know that, right? So GIF में save करना था मैंने इसको. Not in JPG. JPG is not transparent. Hopefully, you do remember that. Okay, done with this. 13 marks. Seriously, come on, man. What's wrong with the examiner? Okay, I hope you does the same thing for our exams. I hope so. Create a vector drawing of this single leaf as shown here. The drawing must match the shape of the color of the original leaf as shown possible. So we just have to draw the single one. Save the drawing as a scalable vector SVG format. Export this in a bitmap format with, so we have to save it in SVG and we also have to save it as a JPEG bitmap. Okay, and 30 marks for this as well. So we have to just make this, no problem. I'll just open up Illustrator. I hope I have it. Yes, I do. So fine.
सर हम ये भी तो फोटोशॉप से कर सकते हैं.
No, देखो, when you're supposed to use vector based, do it in Illustrator. I would prefer. But with SVG में उससे save नहीं होगा ना file format, remarks हैं उसी बात के. So I open up new. Okay.
Manur भी online?
Sumaya is Manur is also online. Manur is online. Manu, you there, beta? Yeah, Manu is there. Okay, so I'm going to make this as nothing, and I'm going to make this as, let's say, green. So I have to make, let me just make it. So leaf kaisa hoga? The leaf has to be obviously just like the leaf. Yeah. So I click here. I click here. Manu, not right. No.
Okay, sir, I'll wait.
Okay. Sorry. सारा खराब हो गया. Okay. Now, it's better if उसको मैं open कर लेता आराम से फिर इसको पे.
इसको crop कर.
No, what I mean to say. जी. मैं अगर इसको open कर लेता हूँ. The ये वाला चाहिए ना हमें. So if I go to Windows, layers are opened up. वैसे भी बन जाएगा, कुछ नहीं, मैं वैसे बात कर रहा हूँ. Okay, what if we do it this way? So in the layers, if I simply add a new layer, and by adding a new layer, if I click here, in a way I'm tracing it. Okay, press Alt, go back. Sorry. Fair enough. I'll just click it. Just do it. Trace it. Let me not waste time. No need to do it like this. बहुत perfection जरूरत नहीं है. सिर्फ ये जाएगा यूं smooth यूं. मैं बहुत ही perfection तरफ जा रहा हूँ. No matter. Here we go. Press Alt. Come back. Come here.
Mouse perfect होना चाहिए इसके.
जी. Alt. Come back. Alt, come back, and this, right? इसके बाद, all we need to do is we have to make sure that we fill this up as green. This is green, right? This is green. और इसका ये जो ना ये भी green होना चाहिए. ठीक है? And there has to be a line and small lines over here. So we can just simply make a straight line. We could probably use a brush as well. You can try multiple ways. I could probably use a brush, but the brush I use has to be, sorry. Add a new layer, make it white. So, white color is fine. Right, done with this. This outer is black ही था, as you can see. The outer was supposed to be black.
सर इसका ग्रीन भी दूसरा वाला है.
नहीं वही है. So anyway, but you got the point, right? So we have to save this as in SVG, and it should be named as scalable vector graphic SVG for leaf followed by your, so Walaikum salam. And then export the image in bitmap format with the width of 50 pixel named bitmap leaf followed by your center. Okay. So width is 50. You get the point? You can define it over here, right? And you can save it in a GIF, perfectly fine, or you can even save it in a JPG, because they just talked about. I would save it as a GIF. Okay, and here we go. Save it. मैंने उसी का सेव किया. I think so. careful when you save your work, otherwise. Next, use your leaf image and the branches.png file to create an image to match the one shown. Okay. Save the image with the size of 400 by 400 in a transparent bitmap format as shrub followed by your name. Okay, fine. Use your leaf image and the branches in
ब्रांचेस
PNG
की अलग है
to create an image to match. Okay, fine. हमने illustrator में जाके बस में डाल देंगे. Okay. So I just open up. I'll open up branches. Okay. The transparent bitmap. Okay. So we have to save it as GIF basically. So leaf style. Well, what we can do is, ये कौन सा leaf है? The one that we've made?
Yes.
Yeah. So all I do is, if I simply copy this and Control V करूँ मैं, and if I simply if the question paper is in front of me, it would be easier. So basically, I have to put them here. मैं randomly दो तीन करके दिखाया था, दो तो नहीं, ज़्यादा करके दिखाया था. Press Shift and reduce the size. Reduce the size. And I need to put like
ब्रांचेस
Control C, Control V. Control V. Control C, Control V. किधर आ रहा है? ये किधर आ रहा है? Because this leaf is a bit bigger. Last one, बस मैं ठीक हो गया. But obviously, you are going to complete each and every one of them. You get the point, ना? Just Control V करना है. But this has to be saved as in transparent. So obviously, I go to File, I save for web, and I need to save it in as shrub. So GIF में होगा. Width height find है 400 by 400. So I'll make it 400 by 400. I will save. Background क्यों आ रही है? Background नहीं आनी चाहिए.
ब्रांचेस का बैकग्राउंड है
हाँ?
ब्रांचेस वाला बैकग्राउंड है
Well, I can obviously get rid of it here as well, but I can also just one second. Okay, no problem. I could do one thing is that I could simply open this. एक second नहीं ये देखो. I will just do is file new. एक काम करते हैं ना इसको. Simply select this, copy it, file new, transparent open करो, इसको paste करो, use the magic wand tool, click here, press delete, and then you file, save for web, GIF, save karo, desktop. Are you following me, right?
Yes.
I give me a, just save it as like just a sample thing, one, and just save it. जब इधर आ जाए, इधर वापस आओ, I can simply delete this and file open, and I had this as मैंने यहाँ save नहीं किया, I did, so no problem. File, save as composer GIF 1. I think so. I know what I've done. So all I need to do is click, drag, drop it over here. इसको मैं बंद कर देता हूँ. I hope you're following me. I'm not like थोड़ा सा, इसलिए it's better to read the question. If you read the question, you would have not. Right click, arrange, send to back. ठीक है, right हो गया, send to back हो गया, transparent भी हो गया, save for web now, GIF में हो गया. Now it's all transparent because obviously if it was not transparent, I could have not continued. So I save it now, and now I save. In animation animation application, set the canvas frame size at 400 by 400. So I hope we have animate. Yes, we do. I'm doing a bit fast. You will do it with more perfection. Keep in mind, but speed should around इतनी ही होनी चाहिए. I would like 1 घंटे से पहले ये दोनों काम हो जाए.
Preferably हमें animate use करना चाहिए flash.
Animate. Animate does not crash. Flash does crash. It's the same. There is slight difference. ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं है. Okay. So here we go. Insert this image. अच्छा, एक काम करें. Again the same thing. Let's read the question. Let's not do the way I did. I think so. If we would have read till here, वो जो मुझे दरमियान में काम करना पड़ा है, जाके वो reduce हो जाना. मेरा 2-3 मिनट का काम. है ना? So always try to read ahead. Let's do it. So in an animation application, set the canvas size. This करना है, ठीक है. Insert your image. हमने insert कर दी. ठीक हो गया. Insert your leaf image to cover the branch as shown. अच्छा, ये रह गया था ना? Let's say जी रह गया था. मगर मेरे ख्याल से वो हमने भी, बस frankly speaking, गलती से रह गया मुझसे. I did not read this. Okay, मैं मुझे फिर वापस जाना पड़ा. On purpose मैंने नहीं किया. Okay, इन्होंने हो गया. Done. Insert your leaf image to cover the branch as shown हो गया. Animate the leaf image to turn from green to brown in 1 second. Animate the brown leaf to fall to the bottom of the frame. So green से brown हो और फिर नीचे गिर जाए. The animation should play automatically but should stop when the brown leaf reaches the bottom of the frame. Export the image as diff. Pretty easy. Yes or no? इसका मतलब एक काम हमें करना पड़ेगा. जो leaf है, एक और leaf हमें save करना पड़ेगा as brown as well. Okay. So this means wherever I made that one leaf. Okay. And it was supposed to be. So I will select this and I will make it this brown, no? Huh? No. That's brown. No?
नीचे से नीचे.
That's wrong.
Right.
That's brown.
Sir,
That's brown.
आपका left में right है. Sir,
This
left.
one?
Yes. But this is dark brown. उसके आगे.
ये
No. This is
ये?
right. ये.
ये
Yes.
ठीक है. Okay. So I will save this as पहले हमने क्या सेव किया था लीफ को एज अब जेपीजी या जिफ 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 होगा जिफ था ना तो सेव फॉर वेब एंड इसका साइज क्या था रिमेंबर 50 this is for our own purpose it was not mentioned but obviously we have to do it ऐसा नहीं है कि अच्छा वो भी आ गया ब्राउन भी आ गया वो all done now we can start our animation so we need to do is कि properties में जाके सबसे पहले तो हमने set करना है dimensions of this which is supposed to be 400 by 400 so properties 400 400 ये ठीक है Control R and इसमें से I need to insert is this Control minus थोड़ा सा reduce press shift and reduce never reduce that way because you have to maintain aspect ratio Control plus ठीक है इधर है हम right okay no timeline. Animate the brown leaf to fall from the first frame. The animation should play automatically fine. So what we'll do is, I will let's say take it till 40. Insert keyframe. I'll add another layer. I'll press Control R. I will erase the brown leaf. I will leave the brown. Terror.
ग्रीन के बाद वो ब्राउन टर्न होते हैं in 1 second.
So we have to put the green leaf first, then we have to put the brown leaf first. Just like the past from here. ठीक है मेरी लाइब्रेरी आ गया मैं कंट्रोल आर करता हूँ and I will insert his leaf ठीक है इसको हम कर देते हैं now the important thing will be इधर कि this leaf that we insert इसका size एक जैसा हो what I'm trying to say is अगर इसके properties देखूं this is like 61 by 61 ठीक है let's say मैं इसका size थोड़ा press shift करके if I increase the size and if I place it here मैं दोबारा नोट करूंगा इसका size क्या है I am at 104 let's say 100 by 100 ठीक हो गया now हमने ये करना है कि initially it's green and turns into brown. Animate leaf image to turn from green to brown in 1 second. Animate the brown leaf to fall to the bottom of the frame in 1 second. So 2 seconds due. You get the point? Yeah, 1 second may fall. What does it mean?
1 second में ये gradually green से brown हो and then 1 second में नीचे गिरे मतलब motion between the lid.
This means 24 and I remove this. Just 1 second. Now, how am I going to make it brown? Shape twinning? No. Got an idea? I've got an idea. Perfect. Talk to myself. नहीं देखो मैं क्या करूँगा ये है मेरा ये देखो ये है मेरा green. Agree with me? मैं इसी के ऊपर लगा दूंगा एक brown. मैं कंट्रोल एल किया लेट मी गो टू माय लाइब्रेरी और ब्राउन लीफ को मैंने रखा ये ब्राउन तो नहीं है ब्राउन है or the size of this had to be the same, which was 100, वरना obviously it will not look real. ठीक है, और इसको मैं exactly place कर दूंगा इधर, तो बड़ा नहीं लग रहा?
बड़ा है sir.
नहीं, वही है,
ये सिर्फ बड़ा है.
ठीक है सोच. चलो फिर अब
ये सही है.
ठीक हो गया?
Yes.
ठीक है, मैनुअल तरीके से किया उधर supposed to be same. ये कलर एक ही है ना, थोड़ा सा फर्क है, एक कलर है, डिफरेंट है.
ग्रीन है, ये ब्राउन है.
You know I'm a bit color blind. ब्राउन और ग्रीन में मुझे एक कलर लग रहा है. अरे डिफरेंट है. अच्छा, ओके, ठीक है. So what we'll do now is कि initially मैं ये करूँगा कि I would like, इसको मैं करूँगा insert keyframe, create classic twin and create classic twin. और शुरू में इसकी मैं ट्रांसपेरेंसी हम रखूँगा इसको. इसमें you will join again, okay? मैं आपको दोबारा दूँगा लिंक. Then I'll go to the properties, style, alpha. याद है? तो initially alpha मैं कर दूँगा 0. मेरी बात समझ रहे हो ना? ये देखो क्या होगा. You'll see.
Yes, सही है. हो रहा है.
हो रहा है?
Yes.
हो रहा है.
क्योंकि वो
ठीक है.
वापस जा रहा है इस वजह से.
ठीक है, हो रहा है. अब फिर हमने ये करना है साथ साथ. And then what we have to do is animate the brown leaf to fall to the bottom of the frame in 1 second. इसका मतलब इसके बाद वो जाके अगले में, this means we have to go till extend it till 48 if I'm correct. Insert keyframe और इधर आएंगे insert keyframe और हम इसको करेंगे control minus and we'll make it fall down. कुछ ने पाथ नहीं कि वैसे बेस्ट तो it should fall in a path. मैं क्वेश्चन आता तो कहता है यूं गिरे. यूं क्या यूं तो नहीं गिरता ना लीफ. यूं गिरता ना, है ना? So 1 second में गिर रहा है. Although this is what the examiner wants, मगर ये थोड़ा realistic नहीं लग रहा. He should have added a motion path. मगर खैर वो tough हो जाना था. You get my point. This was not tough. 20 marks, frankly speaking. सुमैया, आप माइक ले लोगी वैसे? It has been like a long time you don't have a mic और महीना हो गया. Yes sir, here sir, yes sir. है ना? एक माइक है, माइक, come on. एक दिन बाहर खाना ना खाओ, अच्छा माइक ले लो.
सिर्फ वो नहीं हो सकता.
क्यों?
सुमैया के साथ वो नहीं हो सकता.
अच्छा, so we were done with this. So this was like 20 marks and 9, 29 plus 29 plus 13, 29, 39, 39, 42, 42 plus 13, 52, 55, 55 marks, which we have been able to achieve in 40 minutes. Quite right. रह क्या गया अब? अगला part रह गया, which is database. This is hardly of 15-20 minutes का काम. 35 marks का. Right. कर दूं?
Yes.
हाँ? Okay. Create relation using artwork. जब थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा, मैं ये भी कर ही देता हूँ जल्दी से. So what we have to do over here is they have provided us with these two files इनको हमने import करना है. Let's import this. Okay, fine. उसने माइक किया. अच्छी बात है, बाहर निकल, घर का खाना था.
सुमैया परसों कहाँ थी तो?
वो बाहर से समोसे खाती है. So artist ID प्राइमरी की बन सकती है ना जुबेरिया बेटा, है ना? और next and finish. Then we have to import is artwork. Next, and we can use over here the art ID as a primary key. कोई एतराज तो नहीं है ना? Perfectly fine. और जो रिलेशनशिप बनेगा art id over here foreign key, art id over here primary key, one to many. Any problem?
सर ये वन टू मैनी तो नहीं बनेगा, ये मैनी टू मैनी बनेगा, ये इंटरमीडिएट बनेगा.
Sorry. Artist ID नहीं, सही कह रहा हूँ मैं. Artist ID and artist ID.
सर ये मैंने ट्राई किया था.
नहीं बेटा, no, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता. This should not happen. Can I try?
Yes.
Okay, so let's see. So we come into relationships. Let's add, and let's add over here is artist ID to artist ID. Here you go. One to many. You might have done something else.
सर मैंने यही किया था.
No.
Sir, is it important to make that a primary key?
Obviously, artist ID is the primary key. Ah, you did not make it a primary key.
तो वो उसकी वजह से हो रहा था.
G. This is normalization, my dear. This is what normalization is. कि आपने tables में जो entities primary की बन सकती हैं, हमें उसको primary की बनाना है. The first normal form. Second normal form is कि you split the entities which have partial dependency. For example, customer ID में sales की information partial dependency है, उसको eliminate कर दो. अब इसमें nomination का part नहीं आएगा. तो nomination का आया था तो आपको उसको देखना होता है. So you have to have a primary key if it can be made. You get the point? Okay, ये काम हो गया. So उसने ये कहा है कि make sure all the fields fine. Create a form to display the data as shown below. An amount called commission is charged on the price of each of the item that is sold. The charge is calculated as percentage for the price for the sales of less than 50. The commission is 5, 50 and up to its 100 and this. So we have to make actually. आप यहाँ देखोगे इसके अंदर वो कह रहा है कि हमने एक और फील्ड ऐड करनी है कमीशन की, क्यूरी बना के, और उसमें हम वो इफ लगाएंगे, मल्टीपल इफ. याद है क्यूरी में जाके डबल IF हमने लॉन्ग टाइम डिस्कस किया था. बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट व्हाट वी नीड टू डू इज वी हैव टू मेक अ फॉर्म जिसमें सम फील्ड विल कम हियर एंड आर्ट वर्क फॉर सेल इधर आएगा और आर्ट वर्क फॉर सोल्ड भी इधर आएगा. मतलब आर्ट वर्क फॉर सेल. यू सी आर्टिस्ट आईडी, इमेज नेम, मीडिया, प्राइस, वही आ रही है चीज. मगर ये टेबल दोबारा आ रहे हैं क्यूरी फॉर्म जिसमें कमीशन हैज बीन एडेड. सो sold and commission is not here, which is here. You get my point? So I have two subforms in a form, two subforms in a form, right? So सबसे पहले मैं काम करता हूँ कि the first thing I need to do is I need to create is a query and I will add the artwork and I will add obviously artist ID, image name, media, price, sold, or artist ID nahi aa rahi. So I need to add is this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here I need to add is the commission, and the commission will be based on the price, and will based on the price on the fact that if it's less than 50, 5 ho, if it's less than 100 to 10 ho, if it's greater than 100 to 12.5 of the price. Agree with me? So we'll make over here is commission, which will be say if the price is less than 50, then 5% of the price, right? So 5 divided by 100 multiplied by the price. Otherwise, if by the way, not if price is less than 100, then 10% of the price. Otherwise, एक और if की जरूरत नहीं है. You get the point, no? Because I mean, मैं कह दूँगा otherwise 12%. Yeah. Otherwise मैं कह दूँगा 12.5 divided by 100 into price. Right? So if I'm correct, I can check, I can run and see. I get an error. Excellent. Why is that so? Let's have a look. I'm so not sorry, but sorry. Can someone tell me what is the issue? It will be so interesting if someone can tell me कि क्या issue आया, why error क्यों आ रहा है? Mm-mm.
Say in second, paper खोलेंगे the question.
Yeah, मैं सही तो कर देता हूँ मगर मैं बताऊँ कि error क्यों आया. What I should have done जो मैंने नहीं किया, जिसके से error आ रहा है. मैंने गलती की. मगर point is कि जो गलती आपने की आपको एकदम पता चल जाना चाहिए गलती क्या है. अच्छा, am I not using price? The main emphasis is on what? Price. And if I'm calculating like 5% of the price, then price needs to be of what data type? Price needs to be of what data type? It has to be an integer. It cannot be